Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. So I just thought I'd vlog this weekend because I love doing vlogs and that's it. So Vlogmas is actually supposed to be vlogs, but like I said, sorry if you can hear the washing machine in the background. My life's kind of boring, so there's not really much to vlog, so any chance that I get on the weekends where I can vlog, I will do it. So I don't know if this is just going to be today's vlog or like a weekend vlog. We'll just see how it goes. So yeah, I'm going to start the day by getting ready. I've already got up, had a shower because I tanned last night, so I'm looking a little bit brown. So yeah, I'm going to go upstairs, get ready. But I think first I'm going to start by making myself a nice cup of tea. I actually got such an egg, we're just going to ignore that. But I just want to show you this little parcel that I got from Glossybox. So it looks like a mini advent calendar. Like if you've seen the Glossybox advent calendar, you will know. It opens up just like this. So I think this is just like a little Christmas gift. And it's so pretty. So I'll just quickly show you what I got inside this one. On the inside it says there are so many beautiful reasons to be happy, and that is just so cute. So first we've got something by Liz Earle. I've never tried anything by this brand, but this is the Cleanse and Polish Hot Cloth Cleanser. It's just like this. Liz Earle is a really good skincare brand. I've never tried anything from them. So I'm excited to try that out. And then here you get that, and then you get your little cloth. So this I am going to use today, and this is the Illamasqua Beyond Veil Skin Glowing Gel. I haven't even opened this yet, but Illamasqua is like a bougie brand. And then next we've got the Eggs and Rouge? Figs and Rouge? HGS and Rouge? This is the Renew and Refine Pore Detox Revival Serum. I'm going to use this now actually, because my pores need a lot of help. I'm not gonna lie. I guess this is like a primer because it says pore refining, resurfacing and smoothing serum. I really like the texture of it. It looks like it's gonna be a really thick gel, but it's not. It's like a thin kind of jelly. And then next we've actually got a little MAC lipstick in here, and this is red. It's in the shade Thickening. It looks like the perfect like berry cherry red colour. Like perfect for Christmas. How beautiful is that? I used to love MAC lipsticks when I was like 16 and I haven't bought one in years. So now I've got a nice little fresh red one. Next we've got the Aveda Thickening Tonic. I think this is for your hair styling spray, yeah. So use this in your hair, makes it seem thicker. Just looks like this. And then this sounds really good. So this is the Darphin Paris Hydra Skin Rich. I'm guessing it's just a moisturiser, all day skin hydrating cream. Such as this. Everybody needs a good moisturiser in their life. This I was really excited for. This is the Tarteist Mascara, and it's a full size as well. It's not a mini. And I'm always on the hunt for a stick mascara, so now I've got a new one to try. I'm going to be using that today. Pretty sure this brand is Ico, a Black Magic liquid liner and a wide lash. So it just looks like this. I don't really get how it's lash enhancing, but I mean, people that wear eyeliner probably understand. And then the last thing we've got in here is a face mask. This is the Pearl Pure Essence Mask Sheet. And everybody loves a good little face mask. That is everything that I got in this Glossybox. So thank you so much Glossybox for sending that out to me. If you do want to subscribe to Glossybox, I will leave the link down below, and you can use some code Shannon to get your first box at a discounted price. But yeah, I'm going to start getting ready now. So hair is done. I did this little plait myself and it's not the neatest, I'm not going to lie, but we kind of like making the best out of a bad situation. The lighting is awful in this room because the blinds just have like the lines down them. But we're going to work with it. But I've got some new makeup brushes, and there is literally no better feeling than some new makeup brushes. So I've got the Lily England. This is the 12-piece essential makeup brush set. So thank you to Lily England for sending these out to me. I'm going to be using them today. I haven't used, okay, I was going to say I haven't used any of them, but I've used one because I really needed a new bronzer brush in my life. And that bronzer brush is literally a game changer. But look at all these. How pretty. So they're like white and rose gold. I need to get like a nice little pot so I can like store them because they're just too pretty to put in a drawer. So I thought I would give those a go today while I'm getting ready. So for my foundation I'm going to be using the Lily England 004 brush, which is like this really thick stippling brush. So usually normally I use a Real Techniques brush, but this is just like old. I need a new one, so we're going to be using this one today. The foundation I'm going to be using is the Ordinary Serum Foundation in the shade 2.1Y. This is like my favourite new go-to foundation. So I did used to use the Coverage foundation, but I've recently got the serum one and I really like it. I feel like it is a lot more of a natural foundation, like it gives you a more natural look. The lighting in this room is actually a shambles. Is that better? I feel like the lighting's just not good today. It's quite grey outside, but we're just going to roll with it. So I'm just going to pump a little bit of this onto my face as I normally would. I used to be one of them people that hated applying foundation with a brush, but recently I've really got into it. I feel like it gives you a lot more coverage. Oh my god, it's spreading so easily. And there's nothing worse as well, you know when you're putting your makeup on with a brush and it gives you like streaky lines. The brush feels like velvety as well when you're like blending it in. And that was so quick to do. Right, let's do the other side. That is the fastest and easiest swear I've applied foundation in ages. I don't know if this brush is meant to be for foundation, but I think because it's like so dense, it's just a really nice brush to blend it all out. It's actually left my skin looking quite airbrushed. I don't know if you can tell because the lighting is a shambles, but oh my god, I'm really happy with that. That is definitely going to be my new go-to foundation brush. So I'm going to use the same brush to blend out my cream contour and see how it goes. I can't actually believe how fast it does it, like done. Makes it so easy. It's literally done in like 3 seconds. And then I'm just going to use my beauty blender to blend out my concealer. And then for bronzer, I'm going to be using the same brush that I've been using for a while. I'm literally in love with this brush, and this is the Lily England 003, and it's like an angled kind of contour brush. I just think because it's so soft, it doesn't leave like any harsh lines on your face. I used to use this crusty dusty brush, but it's just not cutting it for me. So this one makes it go on so easy, leaves no annoying lines, and just makes it blend out really nicely. It's the perfect shape as well, like to get into your cheekbones, around the forehead, just everywhere. I think we're all blended, so I'm just going to finish off getting ready. So a big thank you to Lily England for sending those brushes out to me. I will leave the links to their website down below. They're so affordable and they're so soft, like you actually can't believe how soft they are. So go and treat yourself to some new makeup brushes, or treat someone you love to some makeup brushes for Christmas. But I'm going to finish getting ready now because I need to go. Sorry for the weird angle, but this is the best light I can get in Oak's room. But I just need to show you my new shoes. So the Panda sneaker hooks me up with these. I'll leave their Instagram on the screen, and also the link to their Instagram down below and their website. They can hook you with any shoes that you want. How beautiful are these? So these are the Balenciaga Track 2 trainers in this baby pink colour. These are so sick, and I can't wait to put them on today. I'll show you them better when we're downstairs, but how sick are these? They're so sick. Say hi to the vlog. Hi everybody, we're in the car. It's Instagram day.
I hate these days.
Oak loves these days. But first, of course, we're making a stop off at McDonald's to get the cheese bites, because what else would we do? Watch your trainers.
I think they're sick.
They are, aren't they?
Yeah,
I literally feel like Molly May.
Oh.
I love my trainers. Finally got myself a pair of Balenciagas after how many years of wanting some. I've gone from wanting the triple S's and now I've got the Track 2s, and they are bad boy. Love them. Love a chucky trainer.
Yeah, they are sick. Let me see.
I just love them from the top the most.
I just love them from the top.
I just love looking down and seeing them right there on my foot. Takes long.
We're at McDonald's again, by the way.
What a shock. We're going to get some more cheese bites. The other day, you know when I was going to Shan's, I wanted a Coke, and I thought, okay, I'll just run in because it's quicker than the drive-thru. I was stood there for about 20 minutes.
Waiting for a Coke?
Yeah, and all the cars that were in front of me in the drive-thru
What a scam.
are already gone. This is why I'm not going to go in, because it's just a waste of time.
I went to gyms, come here before, queue was like this, parts were over there, came in, come out, and I was looking for the car where like...
Was it gone?
Huh?
Was it gone?
I was looking for the car that was like here, and I couldn't see it. It was probably around there, I don't know.
No, it's probably gone.
Yeah, it's probably gone.
We got the goods. We got our own share boxes to share just with ourselves.
I was sharing with you.
I like sharing with you either. You know when I went to Shan's? I got them on the way home. Put them on the seat here.
You got one on the way home as well?
Yeah.
And Rushan?
Yeah. And when we got back from the night out, I had 3 times in that weekend. Lighting's really bad, I do apologise, but the sun wanted to come out today and there's not a lot we can do about that. Cheese bite, cheers! No!
What that fit?
What a snake. I get better every time. Hello, I feel like it's been a while since I picked up the camera. Basically, we went to my mum's house and just like chilled with the fam, had a dinner. And I just didn't really feel like vlogging while I was there, so yeah. This is going to be my weekend vlog because I literally feel like I've done nothing today. I uploaded today's video last night. I don't know why, but it's stuck on 26%, so it's not gone up. That is great. So I'm going to try and sort that out now. Don't really know how because I don't know what's happened. Upload interrupted. Great. Let's hope it doesn't take too long because it's 7:25. My video for today still isn't up. So we're home now. It's 7:25. I've been wearing my new trainers all day and I actually love them so much. Look at this colour. These like give me ultimate Molly May vibes. Anybody else? She wore these on her Instagram and she just looked unreal. The colour and everything is just so me and they're so comfy. They are beautiful and they actually match my jumper that I'm wearing right now. So me and Oak have just been to the shop. Well, I say me and Oak, I sat in the car. Oak went into the shop and got some of the AU Blue Raspberry Vodka for us to try. Well, he's already tried it, but I haven't. We're gonna have a little drink tonight. Gonna film a video in a sec. But it's now time to transfer over from the Balenciagas to the Uggs. I like pink, can you tell? I really just wanted to take my makeup off, to be honest, but we've got some filming to do, so I can't do that just yet. But I actually swear there's no better feeling than taking your makeup off at the end of the day. Okay, so this is uploading quite fast. We're on 33% now, so that's good. I haven't really got anything else to update you guys on. Oak got me these sweets yesterday and they're actually unreal. Got little rainbow belts. I love them. Hi vlog, we're drinking. It's that time of night on a Saturday. We went to the shop and Oak found the Blue Raspberry AU vodka. So we've already had one each. I've made a TikTok if you want to go and see that. Follow me on TikTok and you can go watch that. I made basically a brain liquor. Not a cocktail, because it's not a cocktail. Is it a cocktail? Not really. Brain liquor, vodka. Concoction, that's the right word. So now me and Oak having another drink and then we're going to go and film a video. Are you going to be in this at all?
In what, this bit?
Yeah.
I think I got in it for a second.
Hello. I have a vlog today, so hi to the vlog. Sparky! Sparks doesn't know what personal space is. Oh, nice balls and ball. Who's that on the biscuit tin? How cute, that literally looks just like him except for fluffier. We've had a really lazy Sunday, haven't we?
Actually done nothing.
We didn't get out of bed till 1:30. I actually went and got my nails done. So yeah, I had my nails done today. I went for ombre, had like a little gold star. No, it's not snowflake. And I went for short as well, and I actually like them short. It's now 6:30. I've been editing a video and then Oak's just been playing his game. We ended up having like a little session last night and we all got quite drunk and it was so fun. We ordered a kebab at 2, what time was it, 2 o'clock?
Yeah.
2 o'clock in the morning. So we've had a really lazy Sunday today, but I think it's well deserved. But I'm off work tomorrow, so I'm gonna go to town, get some more Instagram pictures. Me and Oak are filming a drive with me, / playlist video, and I need to go to Zara because I ordered a leather body warmer. So I need to go and pick that up as well. That is it for Sunday so far. It's been quite boring, but in a good way, because I feel like we never actually have days off where we do nothing, do we? So it's been nice to actually do nothing. Get my nails done. I actually feel like a girl. Having cute little ombre nails. I love them. I went to a new place this time and I will definitely be going back. So yeah, I'm just going to finish my editing for the day and then I'm just going to chill. And here we have a wild Sparky.
It looks the same, sparkle.
Living his best life. We made the bed around him and he's just stayed there. He hasn't moved. Why does he look so orcs? We love you, it's okay. Oh, he's so cuddly. And that is where he's going to stay for the whole night, isn't it? He's staying with us tonight. He's got the whole bed. Because we give it up for him, basically. Otto's also awake. He wakes up for about 20 minutes of every day. He's awake. And we've just fed him as well, so hopefully he'll have something to eat and then I'm sure we'll go back to bed. Box. Rude as Bucky. We're going to have a late night family wrapping sesh. It's currently 11:15. This bit of hair is actually going to annoy me all day, I can feel it. So we're carrying on the vlog from the weekend because I literally didn't film or do anything yesterday. So it's Monday now. And me and Oak are going out to get some more Instagram content, which you can't wait for. And we're going to refilm the drive with me because we tried to do it the other day but the sun was just not allowing it. We're going to go into town as well because we need to finish off our Christmas shopping basically. My little Twinkies, I love you. She likes to chew everything. My little baby, I just love you so much, I do. Please stop biting me. So that is the plan for today. I'm feeling this outfit. This is from Lily Lulu. And then I've got a black top and shorts, my cute little Shein boots, the ring, the Fendi ring, and then the bracelet that Shan got me. Still feeling the short nails as well. I just think these are so cute, especially the little snowflake. I love them. So we've just got to town. We've just gone to drive me in the car, so I don't know how long this batch is going to last. We're going to do our final bits of Christmas shopping.
Well, like, we're already done though. It's just, you know, you use that like panic shop at the end.
Why just get like random little bits? Yeah.
I feel like, yeah.
It's more like stocking stuff I think we need to get.
Fuck off, I feel like I haven't done enough for that person.
Same, especially you. I feel like I've got a lot more to do for Oak. Obviously we can't do that today because we can't do it when we're together. So yeah, we're going to walk around the shop, see what we can find. It's that time again. B&M time.
Oh, she's missing. She's missing.
She weeds. Hello, my little boy. Hello there. My little Twinkies. My little Spookies. We're finally home. Oh, she's gonna jump. You're gorgeous still. Oh, it's my little pony. I love you so much. Ow, she bit my nose. Finally home. That shop was like stressful but successful. Like my poem. Stressful but successful.
Yeah, I do.
So we went to town, didn't film anything in town because it was so busy, and I was carrying about 50 bags while wearing a big fluffy coat, sweating my literal tits off. And then we went to B&M after just to get like stocking bits. I don't know how, but I spent £50. But I'm literally just uploading tonight's video. It's a bit late because I've been out all day. I didn't expect it to be out this late. It was out for like 6 hours. 6 whole hours. But it's time to take these off. That is literally the best feeling ever. Ooh, I hate wearing eyelashes. So we've just ordered an Indian and we're going to chill for the rest of the night. It's 7:45 now, so there's not really anything exciting that I'm going to be doing. So there's no point really carrying the vlog on. So I'm going to end it here. I don't really know like what I've filmed over the past 2 days. But there is quite a lot of footage, so hopefully it turns out to be somewhat interesting because otherwise it's just going to be boring. But before I go, I just want to show you these again. I feel like I didn't really show them that much yesterday. But I wore them. Was it yesterday I wore these?
What? Yeah, it was yesterday.
Was it yesterday? They're literally the comfiest trainers.
It was Saturday.
Saturday.
We chilled yesterday.
They're so sick. So these are the Balenciaga. These are the Balenciaga. Oh, I've got like 30 seconds left. Can you start? These are the Balenciaga track 2s. So big shout out to Panda Sneakers for sending these out to me. And we'll leave all of their info down below. Stop looking at me.
I wasn't even looking then. You was looking at me before I looked at you.
If you want to go and cop yourself some sick trainers, that is the place to go. So I'm going to end this video here, so thank you so much for watching this video. Stop fucking staring at me. I hope you're enjoying Vlogmas so far. It's nearly over. It's been a lot of stress, but it's been a lot of fun. So if you did enjoy this video, smash a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more from me. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.